You're a public servant in your mid-50s and you've given decades of your life to serving other people. And somewhere along the way, you started doing the math on retirement. And the math didn't add up. That's exactly where I was. And I want to talk to you today because what I found changed everything for me. My name is Brian Perisho. I'm a career firefighter, lieutenant with nearly 30 years on the job. I've run into burning buildings. I've worked overnight shifts while the rest of the world slept. I've shown up every single time for nearly 3 decades. And I thought that was enough. I thought I just kept showing up, kept doing the work, kept serving. Retirement would take care of itself. But when I actually sat down and looked at the numbers, I realized the life I wanted, the life my wife Tracy and I had been dreaming about, wasn't going to happen on a pension alone. See, Tracy and I have a dream. We want to travel this country together. We want to see places we've never been to. We want time, real time, with our kids and our grandkids. Not rush visits, squeezing between shift schedules, real time. And here's the thing about that dream. It costs money. Real, consistent, monthly money. And a pension, as grateful as I am for it, wasn't going to get us there. So, like a lot of other guys in my position, I started looking for answers online. And I wanted to be straight with you right now because that's what this channel is all about. I failed a lot. Day trading, lost money. Drop shipping, went nowhere. Network marketing, burned bridges I'm still rebuilding. Program after program, year after year. I'm not telling you this to impress you. I'm telling you this because I know exactly how it feels to want something better for your family and keep hitting walls. If you've been there, you know that feeling. It's not just frustrating, it's embarrassing. It makes you question yourself. And the worst part, every year that passes was a year closer to retirement that a dream didn't come true. Then I found something different. Not another program promise, overnight riches, not a guru showing off a lifestyle I couldn't relate to. What I found was a business model that actually made sense to me. A regular person, a working man, someone with real bills and real timeline. And I'm not going to tell you the name of it right now because I want you to hear me out first because you are going to go searching online and get the wrong impression from someone who's never actually used the system or the program. What I will tell you is this. It's a digital education and business system. And it comes with full resale rights. That means you buy it once, you learn the skills, and you are licensed to resell it and keep 100% of every dollar that comes in. No upline, no pyramid, no recruiting your family, friends at the dinner table, just skills, real products, real commissions at every single price level. Let me give you the honest numbers because that's what I would have wanted someone to give me. The full bundle is a one-time investment of $1,400. One sale at that level and you're essentially at break even. But it's not just one product at one price. There are multiple levels from $100 all the way up, which means you can earn commissions at every tier as your customers invest at different levels. And here's what hit me hard. These are skills that don't expire. Once you learn how to market online, you know how to create content, how to build an audience that trusts you. Nobody can take that away from you. That's not a job, that's a legacy. So, let me talk directly to you for a second. If you're in your mid-50s, if you've spent 25 or more years serving your community, if you've been saving, but it's not going to be enough, you're not out of time. But the clock is still running. And I'm not saying that you need to be scared. I'm saying this because I know I've lived it. And the worst feeling in the world is getting to retirement and realizing you waited too long to build something. You don't want to work past 60. I get that. Neither do I. That's exactly why I'm building this now. In real time, documenting every step, the wins, the losses, and the real numbers. Because I'm not a polished internet marketer. I'm a firefighter with a dream and a plan. And I'm betting on myself for the first time in a long, long time. If any part of